Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and I'm coming to you today with a tutorial, but today's tutorial is a little bit different. Today's tutorial is going to just keep on giving for the simple fact that I just entered a 30-day video challenge. One of the options is to do it in the form of business in reference to showing off some of the skills that you hold, showing off, helping other people understand what you have going on and what you do. And I couldn't help it. I couldn't resist. I said, I just have to get involved in reference to this challenge here. So make sure you subscribe, make sure that you follow, make sure that you get involved in this 30-day video challenge because I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks in reference to Photoshop, Dreamweaver, anything Adobe has to offer here. And if you're an Apple computer user, you're in for a bonus because I'm going to be giving you all kind of different tips and tricks on how to use your Apple computer in the most effective way to get the most use out of it in reference to conducting your business. So what we have here is an image right here is 1920 by 1080. Right here is the image that I have of my client, and I want to take this image right here, and I want to take this image and I want to put it in place of this 1920 by 1080, the dimension size that I need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the image here and I'm going to drag it over, and I'm going to hold shift so I can drop it right in the center. And you notice that the image right there does not necessarily fit the model of where we would like to place the image there. Now, I'm sure you guys have been here before and you're like, oh crap, what do I do? And what you do is you just go into any type of program or whatever type of program that you may be using, and you take this image and you just go ahead and you just drag it out here and you pull it around and you make it fit and you just drag it around. And let me tell you, my client absolutely would not appreciate the image looking like this in reference to it, being stretched out and just looking all crazy. So let's go ahead and undo that right there. What we're going to do here in Photoshop is we're going to just right click. We're going to say convert to a smart object. Now that we have it converted to a smart object, it doesn't really necessarily seem like anything has changed. But right here, if you notice on the icon, there's a little symbol right there that's letting me know that this is a smart object versus a regular image as it was before. So when I hit Command T, you get the little crossbars here. And what's going to happen here when I hold Option and Shift and start to drag out here, what it's going to do is Photoshop is going to preserve the pixels to where it's not going to stretch out and look all crazy like it did just a moment ago. So now here's what I'm doing. I'm just dropping the image down with my arrow keys by holding Shift here, and I have the image where I want it, and you can see here that the image looks really good in reference to fitting the size dimensions of where it's going to go on the web there. So that's it. Very simple, very easy. If you have Photoshop on your computer, open it up because I just showed you how to preserve the pixels, create a smart object, and go ahead and get this image ready for wherever you want to put it on the web in the best resolution. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye-bye now.